My name is Melissa Broussard and I'm a pollination biologist. I've worked with many different species of pollinating insects, but sometimes insects alone aren't quite enough to get the job done, to get the most out of our agricultural land. And in those cases, we like to implement artificial pollination. Artificial pollination has existed for 50 years in New Zealand for kiwifruit. However, pollen is expensive. And broadcast applying pollen, while cheaper for the operator, puts pollen on leaves and canes and all sorts of other places that aren't flowers, resulting in a wastage of an expensive and difficult to collect resource. One of the options that we've been looking at to prevent the wastage of such an expensive resource is looking at applying pollen directly to flowers rather than broadcasting through potentially automated systems. The amount of pollen applied to a flower, but also the type of pollen applied to the flower, impacts the final results, changing fruit size, potentially leading to larger or smaller fruit or different coloration of fruit, depending on what the pollen parent is and which variety it's applied to. We know a lot about Hayward, which we've been working with for a long time, but less is known about some of the newer cultivars, and we're investigating that as well. I'm very lucky to be doing science in New Zealand. I love being able to do practical, applied work that makes a difference for growers.